Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having an amazing day. Today we are talking about Anastasia Beverly Hills Dipbrow Gel. I wanted to try this because on anything, hair, makeup, I love one and dones. This is not a one and done, but I do love one and dones. Man, it's dreary here in Seattle. Sorry. All right, I got it in soft brown. And this retails for $18. And how many ounces do you get? You get 0.155 ounces. Let's talk about it. What it is it is a highly pigmented brow gel with a long-lasting waterproof formula for creating fuller looking defined brows, like Dipbrow pomade in a gel form. I have the Dipbrow pomade and I have that in medium brown, I believe, and I tend to be heavy handed, so that's why I get soft brown. And the Dipbrow pomade, I basically look like I draw my eyebrows because I'm so heavy handed, and I gotta get better at that, so that's why I kind of set it aside a bit. But the Dipbrow pomade is really good. It is free of all parabens and it's also cruelty free. The waterproof formula lasts up to 12 hours. The unique applicator allows color to be applied directly onto the brow hairs as well as the skin for a natural looking finish. It's available in 11 shades, which is nice. All right, so how to use it? Well, first let's talk about the packaging. How about I open it? Oh, it's gold. And I like the fact that they kind of opened it up a little bit so you can see how much product you have left. But that's cute. Oh, look at the applicator. It's so small and cute. Okay. All right. How to apply. Brush the Dipbrow gel from the arch and extend toward the tail. Fill from the front of the brow toward the arch using the remaining product on the wand. Brush in the direction as hair's natural growth. For fuller coverage, brush the gel through the brows a second time to create hair-like strokes. To fill in areas of sparseness, use the tip of the brush to apply the formula directly onto the skin, then blend the product through the brow. Okay, so I brought with me, I use this all the time, this brow pencil, so just in case if I need this, or just the pointy part. I also use the brow definer too, which I like as well. All right, so let's start. I'm a little nervous. Arch, going down. Oops. So I have a little right there that I may want to just clip off so that you don't do what I just did. Look at that, just fill it right in. So I'm using the point now because I have some sparse areas. Oops, and I may have put a little bit too much product there. Oh, but you just brush it out, okay? Okay. Oh, if you make a mistake, you can just wipe it off before it dries, of course, because it's supposed to be waterproof. I have not dipped this back into the jar yet. Need more of a tail, so I'm gonna add a little bit more from the tip and just bring it down. Maybe I did that wrong. Huh. All right, guys, I'm gonna do the other brow and I'm gonna come back. All right, guys, I'm back. What do I think of this product? I love this product. Oh my gosh. So for me, I could go out like this. I would probably though clean it up a bit with a bit of some concealer, or do my little line here, and if you want more of a cleaner look, you can go ahead and go in with your eyebrow pencil or your brush. But yeah, I would go in a little bit with my brow definer or my brow pencil and just kind of clean it up a bit. But OMG, guys, this completely made my eyebrows look really full and vibrant, and I'm still probably a little heavy-handed. So I normally put powder over my eyebrows just to kind of dim down the look a bit, or dull it down a bit. But oh my gosh, I only had to dip in once for each eyebrow, which is kind of cool. And this thing on the end, yeah, you can put product and kind of guide your way through it with this little tip at the end. Oh my gosh, yeah, I really like this product. And I like the fact that I normally, when I use just my brow pencil, I don't put the gel over it, because I don't do that. But this does it for you, because it has the waterproof stuff in it, and my brows look pretty full. So if you're looking for a full effect, this is it. I really like this. This is got my eyebrows done pretty fast. Also, if you want the more defined look, you can do the concealer underneath and on top. And of course, as you saw me do, I did my line across a bit just so that it'll have a little bit more defined look. But yeah, this surprised me. This was great. I really like this. So yeah, I hope this helps you to figure out if it's something you want to try or not. And I want you guys to have an amazing day. Hopefully it's sunnier where you are than I am. And I will see you guys next time. Bye. Yeah. Yeah, I like this. Oh my gosh. My eyebrows look very like Cindy Crawford-esque, like 1990s brows, which I love 90s brows.